Today, MYOK is doing really, really well. So the option was up a lot. But as you can see, the stock overall, it gapped higher and now it's pulling back. So this is where I would say, I don't know, there's always a possibility that this can go worse. So if right now you're looking at a very nice profit in MYOK, again, today, $1,288. If you want to take this, this is absolutely fine. Here's what I'm looking for. You see, I sold it for $3. And I personally, let me just write it down here because I think it's really important. For the selling puts, my profit target is 70% of the max premium. So what does this mean? Example, MYOK, I sold it for $3. So now I want to see my profit target. I want to make at least 70% of $3. $3 times 0.7, some basic math, is $2.10. So the anticipated profit is $2.10. So I want to get out of it when it hits 90 cents. And you see, this is where here at 90 cents, that's where I have a buy limit order right now. Right now, it is trading at $1.10. I'm actually planning to hold it until I get out at 90 cents so that I realize $2.10. Now, how many contracts did I trade here? 7 contracts. So my idea here is $2.10 times 7 contracts times $100 that I'm making $1,470 on this trade. So this is my goal here. And right now, as you can see, it is up $1,288. If I would close it right now, I would leave $200 on the table. Might be a smart idea, but I might as well wait until tomorrow or even on Monday before I close it out. Is this making sense? So by the way, since we are at the point of taking profits here, let's take a look at NCLH. So we can place a profit-taking order for NCLH here as well. Again, I sold it for 30 cents and I want to take 70% of profits. So multiplied by 0.3, and this means 9 cents. I'm rounding it up to 10 cents. So this is for selling puts. Okay, so I sold the 8 put for 30 cents. And this means 70% of 0.3 is, to be exact, it's 21 cents. But when it comes to options, we should always go in 10 cents increments. So this means my profit target here is if I can buy it back for 10 cents, I'll be good. Now let's see, how many of these did I sell? I sold 30. Okay. And once I hit my profit target, I would make $20 per contract. So this means I make a total of $600. So let's put this order in the market. We might as well, because I don't have it in the market yet. You don't have to do it right away, but we can do this right now. Hey, before we jump onto this, let me just ask you, is this helpful at all? Because if it is, do me a favor. Hit the like button really quick. This way, I know what videos, what content you like best, and I'll do more videos of this. So if you like the idea of live trading and placing orders together here and showing you what I do in my account. So in this case, just hit a quick thumbs up and then I'll do more of this. Okay, let's place the order at 10 cents. So NCLH, I sold the put. So now I have to buy it back. How do we do this? We buy 30 because I sold 30 previously. My limit order I set at 10 cents and I make this as a GTC order, good till cancel. Double checking, everything is good. Okay, we only have 3 minutes left in the trading session. If we are not getting filled today, then we'll get filled probably tomorrow. And I'll, as always, I'll keep you up to date. So NCLH, and jumping back on the screen here. So the idea is $600. If I can make $600 since 5/5, and again, today is May 7. So if I can make this in 3 days, this means I'll be able to make $200 per day, and there's nothing wrong with that. So this is the idea here, to quickly take profits. So if I can make $200 per day, $600 in 3 days, I'm fine. Okay, here's something funny. On Tuesday, May 5th, was Cinco de Mayo. Isn't it just funny when Cinco de Mayo falls on Taco Tuesday, but we all have to stay at home because we have to be careful of a virus that is named after a beer. Okay, anyhow. Okay, back to the desktop. So let's see if we are getting filled on this one. I don't think we will. So let's see. No, quantity is still 30 of 30. I'm the bid right now, and that is okay. if I'm getting filled here tomorrow morning, I'll be fine. I know that some of you already got out. So that's great. I mean, make money, right? So let's talk about American Airlines. Do you want to do one more calculation here? So let me tell you what I did here. So I sold the 8 put for, I believe it was at 30 cents. I would have to look it up. I want to take 70% of the max profit would be 21 cents. So therefore my profit target is at 10 cents. So let's see, what did I do here? How many did I sell of those? So I sold 40 of those, okay? So this means 40 contracts, and I'm trying to make $20 per contract. So this would be a total of $800. And again, this is a matter, I'm trying to do this here probably in 4 to 5 days. Can't remember exactly when I entered American Airlines. I have to look at my trading log. So I'll do this. Okay, so markets just closed. I did not get filled, but I can still place my profit target because here's the deal. You can do this after hours. You don't have to do this live in the markets. So I sold it. I have a negative 40, so I need to buy it back. And I have to buy them back at 10 cents. So also here, I do a GTC order. GTC means good till cancel. Otherwise, the order, if you just have a day order in there, it gets canceled at the end of the day. By the way, if you would like to know more about day order versus GTC, I actually did a video on this, what the difference is between a day order and a GTC order. I'll link to it in the description, so this way you can see exactly what this is all about. Worth watching, I believe it's only 4 or 5 minutes, really quick one. Okay, going back to the screen. So you see, right now the markets are closed. So for me, 3 o'clock Central Time, by the way, that's military time. I'm German, I'm used to military time. That's how we do times in Germany. Anyhow, so this is where right now I can still place the order and it will be accepted. However, it will only be executed today. So let me just double check. Price 10, good. Okay, perfect. Override and transmit. So there it is in the market. And let's see, I mean, it was trading right now at 24 cents. So not really enough to realize a profit, but this way I have my profit targets in the market. And if for whatever reason tomorrow American Airlines jumps up like crazy, hey, I'm getting filled right away. And I don't mind doing it. You see, my goal for this account is to make $100 per day. Because if I can make $100 per day, I can triple the account in a matter of a year. So that's what I'm trying to do here. Right now, it's a $39,000 account. And again, I started trading this account. You see, right now it's at $39,300. I started it 7 weeks ago. Tomorrow, it marks the 7-week anniversary. And I started it with $25,380. Don't ask me why 380. There was still some money in the account. I just bumped it up to 25,000. So let's go back here. See, if I sold it for 30 cents, I want to make 20 cents in profit. So again, I sold it. Now I have to buy it back. So I would have to buy it back, to be exact, Edward, at 9 cents, right? But here, these options trade in 5-cent increments. So I can now choose, do I want to be greedy and sell it for, buy it back for 5 cents or 10? So it's very simple. You take the 30 cents that I received, and I want to keep 21 cents. So I'm okay buying it back at 10. I hope that this is helpful for you. Is it? Because if it is, you know the drill. Click on like if you find this helpful. This way I know what videos you like and I make more of these. Hey, by the way, if this is your first time here and you see, wow, this is pretty cool, click on subscribe right now. Click on subscribe and hit the little notification bell. This way you get notified whenever I release a new video or when I go live as I do right now. Also, feel free to share it. I mean, there's nothing proprietary here, nothing that is just you and I, right? If you like it, tell others about it.